Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video on Inkscape for logo design. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can center elements for your logo. So Inkscape, best graphic design software if you want to create logo for free because it is open source and it is free. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also, if you are interested by more in Inkscape, everything is on the first link on the description. Complete course, Inkscape for logo design. You will learn Inkscape and at the same time you will have everything that you know for the creation of logo and many different training on logo. So first link on the description. So if you want to center your element of logo, we can use the Align and Distribute panel. So when you go on Object, you can click on Align and Distribute panel to position this on the right. First, let's create a circle like this, and I can select a color first, any color like blue, and I can press Ctrl to keep the proportionality. And thanks to that, I want to have the logo in the center of my document. I have a document 200 millimeters by 200 millimeters. Take a glance on the horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. And I'm going to go on relative, Align and Distribute. You need to select relative to something. It's going to be the page. And I can apply center on vertical axis, center on horizontal axis, and that's it. Inside my document, I center my circle. Now I want to add text. I can click on the text tool, just go left click here. Here I just created a frame, so just go left click and you can type something like logo. I can use then my selection tool and increase little bit the size with Control. And I would like to change the color, so I can go directly with the white color here. I would like just to position in the center. I know that all my elements are in the center, so I can just go on relative to page and center also. But if I want, for example, to make the logo here, I can also work with relative and press Shift, select the circle, and I can also make relative to biggest object, for example, and it's going to work also. Now, if you create something like stars, I'm going to use the stars tool, corner 5. Let's zoom little and create a first star on this area. Yes, just like this. So this star, I want to duplicate this. Press Ctrl D, duplicate on the left, and Ctrl D, duplicate on the right. I want to center these 3 stars. You need to create a group. First, I select the 3 stars with a frame of selection, and I go on Align and Distribute, and Align relative, it can be the first selected, one of these stars, and just activate here, center on horizontal axis. The next step, if I want to, I can drag and move little, if I want to center this perfectly here. If you just go relative to page, and you activate center on vertical axis, just like this, it's not good because you didn't have any group. So now let's do the same thing. Select the 3 stars. You can also select the first, press Shift, the second and the third, and go right click, and you can just create a group. So right click and group. And now I position around this element, around this area, and I can make relative to page, center on vertical axis. So you need to create a group first. The second possibility to center your elements, let's erase everything. I can create a frame of selection and just press delete. The second possibility is to create guide. I know my document is 200 mm by 200 mm. I can pull a guide vertically at 100 mm. If you want, you can zoom to have more precision, and I can pull at 100 mm and zoom again at the maximum, and yes, just like this. After to do this work, I can position my guide also horizontally, and pull at 100 millimeter. One more time, I can zoom on this area. Zoom, 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 and just position exactly here. What does it mean? It means that I have the center. You can go on the right, take a glance to the snapping option, and you have snapping to guide. I can create a circle, use my circle tool, go here, and if you just go left click, you can snap here, and you can create a circle. Here it's not really good because the circle is not, we don't have color. I'm going to activate the blue color. So I can select this tool, snap in the center, and if you press Ctrl, you create a perfect circle. If you press Shift, you start from the center. So press Shift and Ctrl, and thanks to that, I created this circle exactly from the center. I'm going to show you again. Click on the circle tool and handle to guide intersection if you keep the snapping options. Let's create a different color. Let's activate yellow. Handle to guide intersection. Press Shift to start from the center and Ctrl. And thanks to that, you know that everything is starting from the center because of your guide. So I wanted to show you these two possibilities when you work with logo to center on your document. After, it's the same each time. If you create an object, for example, you create a text, I can type logo again. I can change the color, fill and stroke, or just activate the white color. Take a glance, you have on your object, this is the middle, and you can also use the guide to position this in the middle. But sometimes you have less precision, it depends, but you can also use the align panel. So let's remove the guide. I'm just going to go on view, or you can just take a guide like this. You can go outside, it's working, and just here. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You want to learn more about Inkscape and for logo design, everything is on the first link on the description. You will see the model and the session of the course. Why it's interesting? Because you can learn Inkscape from scratch. Everything that you need to know, you will learn everything in Inkscape. And moreover, many trainings on logo at the end of the course. At the beginning of the course, there are also few theoretical bases that you need to know if you want to start in logo design. For a next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.